Last week, one person told me AI will destroy humanity. 10 minutes later, someone else said AI completely changed their life. Same technology, totally different reactions. So I started wondering, what if AI isn't the strange part? What if human psychology is? Stay with me, because today you'll discover why people fear AI, why people secretly love it, and the one psychological shift that separates people who grow with AI from people who feel threatened by it. And fair warning, you might recognize yourself in this video. Imagine opening social media and seeing headlines like, AI will replace jobs. AI is dangerous. AI is taking over creativity. Your brain reacts instantly, not logically, emotionally. Humans are wired to treat the unknown with caution. For most of history, unfamiliar things could be dangerous. So when we hear about powerful new technology, our brain hits the same internal alarm, and suddenly AI feels threatening, even before we really understand it. But here's the twist. Many people who say they fear AI are also using it every single day. Think about it honestly. People say AI is scary, then use it to write emails, generate ideas, learn new skills, or just talk when they feel alone. So why do we fear and depend on the same thing? Humans are built for connection. When something responds like a person, answers instantly, and understands our questions, our brain can react as if we're interacting with another human, even when we know it's software. That's why people sometimes feel comfort using AI. Not because AI is human, but because our brains are wired to connect. And this is where things get complicated. Because AI doesn't just help us, it also challenges how we see ourselves. For years, people believed creativity was purely human. Writing, designing, deep thinking. Then suddenly, AI starts doing those things too. And a quiet question appears. If a machine can do what I do, what makes me valuable? Psychologists often call this an identity threat. When something challenges how we define ourselves, we either reject it or try to master it. That's why conversations about AI feel so intense. People aren't only debating technology, they're defending their sense of identity. Which one are you right now? Curious about AI? Or secretly worried about it? Be honest. Your answer says a lot about how your brain handles change. The biggest battle around AI isn't humans versus machines. It's fear versus curiosity. Fear says, this might replace me. Curiosity says, this might upgrade me. Throughout history, humans didn't disappear because of new tools. We adapted. The people who grow aren't fearless. They're curious, even when they feel uncertain. And that mindset changes everything. Here's something important to remember. AI processes information, but it doesn't experience life. It doesn't feel purpose, struggle, or meaning. Your empathy, your storytelling, your vision, your resilience, those are deeply human strengths. So instead of asking, will AI replace me? Try asking, how can AI amplify what makes me human? That single question turns fear into power. AI isn't only a technological shift. It's also a psychological mirror. It reveals our fears, our curiosity, and our willingness to evolve. Maybe the future isn't humans versus machines. Maybe it's humans becoming more creative, more capable, and more human, with intelligent tools beside us. If you want more videos that help you understand the human mind, subscribe to Daily Psychology. And tell me honestly in the comments, when you think about AI, do you feel excited or uncomfortable? Because your reaction is psychology in action.